Hi guys, this is Mrs. Spivey, and I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what happens when you log into the course and what you should be doing for summer school, because it is different than what you are used to for the semester. We will not have any live CCs. What you will see right here is a help desk that is there every day, Monday through Thursday, 11 to 12. And for this help desk, it won't necessarily be me, it might be another teacher. But if you have, as you're working through your course, make notes of specific topics that you're having trouble with, and even specific questions would be great. And then come to help desk and bring those questions so you can get them answered. Now, when you log into the course, you will see right here, CC recordings. This has, let me get that loaded. Here is a link to recordings over each of the topics. So you can click on that link, and if you need to actually listen to a teacher talk to you about a topic, then this is where you'll want to visit, because you can see each of the topics is listed here with a recording of a class lesson. Let's go back to the home page and let me show you where else you should be visiting. Right here is a brief summary of what the process is. It is completely self-paced. There are no due dates other than the entire course is due by June 21st. And by the entire course, I mean every single unit needs to be completed, including the semester test. You have to complete the unit tests, part 1 and part 2s. Quizzes are just for practice, so I definitely recommend doing those if you are struggling with content. But the tests are the only things that you're graded on, and you have to be passing, making a 70 or above on all of your tests. Now, where you should go to begin your work is you click up there on content, and then you'll see over here on this left-hand side, this is where each of the units is listed. So you'll want to click on Unit 1, and it opens up right here, and it shows you how many you've completed of all of the topics that are in the unit. So I definitely recommend going through each of the units. Most of the practices in here take very few minutes, like maybe 5 or 6 tops, like these little activities, and then there is a quiz for you to do just to check your understanding and make sure you know what you're doing. And that's where you can get your questions to come to office hours with. So you just work through every single one of these, and I know it looks like a lot, but when you're in there, it's like 30 seconds a minute for each of these. And then it prompts you to go on to the next one, and then it'll end you with your quiz. Now, all the way down at the bottom, there are no USA Test Prep assignments, so if you accidentally see that somewhere, that was just a mistake on my part for leaving that in there, but there's no link. There is no USA Test Prep assignments. But down here at the bottom, you'll see your unit exam, and these are the things that are 100% required, and if you do not do them, it will count against you as a 0, so you need to complete the part 1 and the part 2. And you need to complete that for every single unit. So as you see over here on the left-hand side, there was Unit 1, Unit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this is the same whether you're doing B course or A course. I know my example is B course, but it's the same for either. If you have any questions, please give me an email. Thank you.